Taxi operators say they will not load their taxis to capacity as indicated by SANTACO and the National Taxi Alliance. Both organizations have ordered their members to carry the maximum number of passengers starting today. The taxi associations have also resolved that long-distance operators will resume work without permits in clear violation of lockdown regulations. Now let's cross live to our colleague Nosipho Mncube, who joins us live from the Noord Street taxi rank in Johannesburg. Nosipho, what's it like where you are?
Good morning, Desiree, as well as viewers. Just to echo what my colleague Griselda Lewis was saying as well, that I have also not seen any law enforcement at any of the ranks. This is Bree taxi rank as well as Noord taxi rank where I am right now. Also, some of the taxi drivers welcoming what SANTACO has decided on full capacity of their taxis, saying that this will at least help them sustain themselves and try and make up for the losses that they had made during the lockdown. But let's just try and speak to some. A comment from someone from the associations here, or maybe some of the rank managers here, just to get feedback from them on how they're feeling. But let's speak to this passenger over here, Siswam. We know now that taxis, especially here at this taxi rank, will be carrying all passengers, 100% capacity. How are you feeling about this? This is the first day that this is happening. How are you feeling?
Actually, I wouldn't say that it's a bad thing, actually, but we're from different places, right? We don't know if anyone is sick or not sick. So that's my concern, is that we're going to be spreading this coronavirus all around the country more. It's going to spread more than before. So it's not healthy. It's not, because they said they want to raise the prices on the first. So why do they want the full capacity again? So I'm confused as well. I don't know what to think, actually. Not healthy.
Some of the reasons they've given to wanting full capacity as well is that they're just trying to make an income for themselves and just try and redeem themselves for the losses that they've made. Is that something that you understand? Is that a justifiable reason for you, in your opinion?
But our health, what's happening with our health? Because most of the drivers don't even wear the mask themselves. So it's not right. It's not. They're just thinking about the money. What about the health? They don't think about the passenger's health, actually. Okay, thanks.
Concerns about their health, like she was saying, as well as the confusion around taxi fares possibly increasing. As we had heard on the 1st of July, there was a possibility that taxi fares would increase. She's, making a valid point of what is the point of increasing those taxi fares if we're going to be filling up the capacity as well. But let's see if there's anyone else we can speak to on their feelings about the taxi capacity increase that we're seeing here at Noord Taxi Rank. Susan, do you mind just speaking to me very quickly about how you're feeling about the taxis increasing their capacity?
It's really bad because some of us haven't been going to work and all of that, and yeah, it's hectic. Budget-wise, it's really bad.
Tell me about what you see in the taxis. Do people abide by the laws and with regard to keeping their masks on, sanitizer stations? Do you see that much here?
Yeah, I do, because this morning, ever since I've been in the taxi, everybody's wearing their masks. But it's actually my first day going back to work. So I don't know. We'll see as the day goes by.
Thank you very much. Okay, her first day back, and also happens to be the first day that we're seeing taxis resort to filling their taxis to full capacity due to misunderstandings or disagreements with the Minister, Mr. Fikile Mbalula. But we do see that he will be addressing this issue in a briefing today. We'll be hearing what he has to say. Also find out from the associations, rank managers, the drivers, what they're expecting to hear from his address today. But back to you, Desiree.
Thank you so much there, Nosipho. One of the big stories we're following today, including the resumption of the Commission of Inquiry into State Capture.